Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Trezor to Ronin full guide. Update your Trezor firmware and PIN, then open the Ronin wallet extension and prepare to pair your device. Keep your recovery seed safe and out of camera view. I will walk you through enabling developer options, creating a Ronin account, and performing the secure USB handshake. Follow each step closely to avoid mistakes and protect your funds. Start by plugging your Trezor into your computer with a reliable USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Open Ronin Wallet, choose Import or Connect Hardware Wallet, and select Trezor from the list. Approve any prompts on the Trezor device to allow the Ronin Wallet to view public keys. If a browser pop-up appears, confirm permissions and complete the pairing so your Ronin account can sign transactions securely. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and tap like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for meal prep because they keep salads crisp and sauces sealed, perfect for busy crypto days. They're sturdy, dishwasher safe, and save time with packed lunches. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want one, it's a solid pick. Now let's get back to the video. After pairing, always verify addresses on the Trezor screen before approving any transaction in Ronin. If the device fails to connect, restart your browser, try another USB port, or reinstall Ronin Wallet. Avoid entering your recovery seed into any software and store it offline. Keep firmware updated and use a hardware wallet-only signing mindset to reduce risk. These habits keep your crypto safer and make troubleshooting faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.